Guys, so the last time we talked about adding expression to shape layers or to shape elements. So, but right now I'm going to focus on how to add colors in After Effects. So to add colors in After Effects, unlike Adobe Illustrator where we have various ways or various options to add color, I think After Effects it's limited. So to do that, you can either select it from here or from the shape layer here, right? So to add colors in After Effects, once you select your shape element, you just go to fill here, right? So once you click it, from here you can change the colors to the exact type of color you want, and then click. That's all. So but to play with this, so let's click this again. So you can pick color from various background around. You can see, I'm moving this color picker I'm moving around the entire UI of this After Effects, right? So that's another way to pick color, not really add, but to pick color, right? So you can also manipulate the colors from these values here, but I think these are special purpose or so, but you don't always need that, except you have a special project where you have to work with a particular color code or something. So you have to make sure that you type the exact hexadecimal code here, or maybe you have to look out for the RGB, but that depends on if you've been provided with some set of colors to use for this project, and that's only if you're working on a brand element, like a serious brand element. But for this purpose, let's just move on. So that's that. You can also change the color of the stroke as well. If I increase the stroke now, you notice that we have a stroke around this element here. So you can also increase the stroke size and also change the color of the stroke. So in that case, just click the stroke here. So you have various options to change the stroke color, right? So let's just use yellow for background sake. Alright, so that's how you select the stroke color in After Effects, and feel overall that's how you select color in After Effects. I don't think there are much to do here. Also, you can as well animate your color in After Effects. Let's say you want to transit that fill, that ash color fill or gray color fill from this to red. So you can just click on this keyframe here, right? Once you click the keyframe, move your slider to, let's say, a few seconds around there. Oh, sorry, it's still vibrating because I didn't disable that animation for the wiggle. I'll do that. I'll show you how to do that. So once this is moved here, so you can just click this place here and select the red. So if you notice, if I go back now, this is playing, so it's changing from gray to red. Wow, that's cool. So that's just it. So to disable this guide, I don't know how you managed to do it all the way from the last class to this class. So to do that, let's just go to our transform here, come to this place over the position, just click this thing here, just click this symbol here that looks like minus. So once you click it, the expression is disabled automatically. So once you move this now, nothing happens, right? So it's cool. All right. Sorry, that's not part of this class, but since it's found its way around this class, so let me just quickly take it off. Okay, so that's all for selecting color in After Effects. I don't think there are other stuff here around. I don't think there are much yet to do. That's just all. Also, if you feel like adding extra color to this, you can just come here to this effects and presets here and type the word fill. Then you can just select it and the color change totally. You understand? So you can as well control and maze, do a lot of stuff around here. So right, so you can also invert color to something else, but we don't need that in this course. All right, so that's cool. I think that's all for color here in After Effects. But like I always say, this is not a beginner's tutorial. You notice I always say that at almost every class. To get in-depth knowledge in all of this, you have to look out for a course that talks a lot about this thing in details, right? Okay, all right, so that's good. So let's move on to the next project.